friends, welcome back to our STEMmed Up class. Today we will be making paper columns and testing which shape can hold books better. So for our experiment today, you'll just need 3 pieces of paper, tape, and some books or anything kind of heavy so that you can test how much strength each paper can hold. So to start, I'm going to take one piece of paper and kind of fold it into 4 sections. So I just almost rolled it up there so that it will create a square, and then you're going to tape it together. I'm going to fold down this end a little bit, tape over it. Kind of like that. And then you can tape on the other ends as well, like I've done here. And then next you're going to take a paper and fold it 3 ways into a triangle. And then tape them at the top like that. And then your final one, you're just going to roll into a circle and tape it there. So I'm just going to use the ones that I've already made. And so think for a moment at like columns that you see on buildings and things. What are they usually shaped like? I think I've seen some that are square. I'm not sure if I've ever seen a triangle one, but you certainly see a lot of columns that are cylinders. And so we're going to test and see which shape is the strongest and figure out why engineers tend to build things like that. So just take a book and start piling it on, and then count to see how many books each shape can hold. So there's 3, 4, 5. Oh, so our square could hold 5 books. All right, now let's start with the triangle and see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that one held 8. And then let's see about the cylinder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Make sure that there are no toes around that can get crushed by your books. So it turns out that the cylinder could hold more books than all the other shapes. So that may be why buildings tend to have cylinder columns, because since a cylinder doesn't have any edges, the force isn't compressed into one area, and so it's all distributed evenly onto a cylinder column. So this is used a lot, this same concept, in when engineers build buildings and architects and things. So next time you're out and about, look at different columns and think about how they're holding up buildings, or maybe they're just decorative, and just kind of play with ideas of how shapes work. And so please perform this experiment for yourself and tell us if the cylinder was strongest in your experiment, or if you had a different outcome, and if so, how many books did you get on each shape. So that's all for today. Thanks, guys.